So the last few days have sucked in terms of price for XRP and the crypto market in general. And these corrections, they happen. It's a very consistent theme. But despite that, we have some very exciting things happening for Ripple and XRP. And one of them, in fact, being the former CFTC chairman saying that he thinks that the SEC is, in fact, going to drop this case versus Ripple, which would be probably huge for XRP price in general. And I want to have this discussion with you guys. I'm Luxide. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So let's talk a little price first. I know some people have had these questions. I actually saw somebody post a question. I don't know if it was an XRP related video or one of the other ones I've done, but they've said, how many corrections do we have in this market cycle? How many pullbacks should we expect? And frankly, the answer is there could be tens, 20s, 50. They happen, frankly, all the time. Even on this recent 200% surge that XRP went on, there was actually three corrections now of almost 20%. We had our 14% correction that took place right as XRP was getting started. This happened right about 73 cents. We had our next 20% correction right at about $1.26. And then now we've been on this 20% correction over the last few days here. These are very common things in the market. And the more that you understand that these things are just natural occurrences, the more you will be better suited for how crypto acts in general. You have to remember that despite, XRP being such a large asset in this space, an asset worth tens of billions of dollars, currently sitting at $81 billion, it's going to face those same kinds of pullbacks. We need to continue to grow. We need to reach trillions of dollars in market cap, and then they become less and less, right? We become more mature as an asset class. Now, some very exciting news coming out is that the former CFTC chairman is actually projecting that the SEC may in fact drop their case versus Ripple as the new SEC chairman is appointed. If you guys remember, Gary Gensler is going to be stepping down on January 20th, and the expectations are now that Donald Trump is going to appoint a more pro crypto entity to enter the space. And when this CFTC former chairman was pressed during this interview he did on Fox Business, he said he would bet that they are going to drop the case. I would bet that they would. That was his exact quote. And this is not surprising at all. This is a discussion that we've had. And really, the push has been to kind of limit the SEC's power in this industry, anyways. You guys remember, we're still waiting for this bill to make it through the Senate, Bit 21, which would actually bring in CFTC oversight for the crypto industry, making us be looked at more as commodities rather than speculated as unregistered securities. That would be a big shift, and I think that would open up the door for obviously a lot more retail to enter this space. Now, this isn't a guarantee or anything like that, but we need to talk about what this could in fact do to XRP price. So we're kind of gearing up and essentially prepping for this next move in terms of XRP. And it would not surprise me if this next move for XRP in general pushes us 40% to about $2. All right. Now, again, this isn't a guarantee. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But why I say $2 is this is actually the peak that we hit in April of 2021. This would be a natural next stopping point for our push to new higher highs. I'm not saying that we're going to stick around there long. Maybe we hit it, we correct, maybe we blow right through it. But this is the next range that XRP is in fact going to want to run to. So that's something you guys are preparing for. Obviously, plan accordingly. Again, I'm not from the future. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know what's going to happen. But we've seen this happen many, many times before in other assets. And frankly, this is a cycle where XRP can enter price discovery. We're in price discovery right now, frankly, because it's been such a long period of time. Now, there's some other exciting news coming out as well that Ripple is actually going to be investing in the Bitwise XRP ETF. So this is actually something that was rebranded back on November 7th by Bitwise. And what they are wanting to do is offer, they're trying to strengthen their presence in the European market. So actually, the interesting thing about this is Ripple is essentially investing in themselves through a different means. And this confidence actually helps bring more institutional investors to a lot of these projects. Now, what this is also going to do, or I'm sorry, products, bring more institutional investors to these products. What this also may do is help fast track an XRP ETF here in the US. Now, is there a direct correlation between the two? No. But as there is institutional money, as there's more regulatory clarity, as there is more of an open pathway with basically removal of this Ripple VSEC case, then you are going to probably see something like this fast tracked. something that has actual utility, something that has been around this space for a while, it is a natural spot for investor money to land. So that obviously may help continue to push XRP price higher. We'll just have to be wait, or we'll just have to wait and be patient. But I just thought I'd share that with you guys. We have some very exciting things going on right now. Market turmoil, it's temporary. Know that we are still here before this big wave hits the crypto industry. We have a lot of adoption to take place, and it's going to happen again a lot faster than people realize. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think that we're prepping for this next big 40% move to hit? And have a great day. Catch you guys later. Take care.